Students, let's do example 23 of your syllabus book. Example 23 says that sum of the digits, there are digits, sum of the digits of a two-digit number. The number is a two-digit number and the sum of the digits is 10. Okay, this is your first part. Now, when we interchange the digits, when you are interchanging, it is found that the resulting new number, when you will interchange, there will be a new number. So that new number is greater than the original number by 18. So it means there are two numbers, two-digit number. First is original number, and when you are interchanging the digits, the new number will be formed. So find the original number. First step is, what do you have to find? You have to find the original number, and original number is a two-digit number. Okay. Now, in two-digit number, there is a ones digit and there is a tens digit. Okay. And in question, it is given that sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 10. Of two-digit number, there are two digits. This is ones digit and this is tens digit. Just I don't know any of the digit, not a ones digit, not a tens digit, but I know that sum of the digits, these two digits of a two-digit number is equal to 10. Okay. So first of all, let me take let ones digit is equal to x. Okay. I am taking my ones digit as x. Okay. Now what will be your tens digit now? You know that sum of these two digits is equal to 10. Tens digit plus ones digit, and ones digit is x that I have taken, and sum is equal to 10. It means your tens digit will be 10 and this x will come to that side with minus sign. So your tens digit will be now 10 minus x. So write it here that tens digit is equal to 10 minus x. So there are two digits of a two-digit number. Ones digit is x and tens digit is 10 minus x. Now, you know very well that how to write a two-digit number in its expanded form. How? Take an example. Example is 46. Okay. It is a two-digit number. You can write 46 as 40 plus 6. Okay. And 40. How can you write? 10 multiply 4 plus 6. This is your expanded form of a two-digit number. How you write? How you are writing? You are writing 10 multiply. 10 is multiplying by tens digit plus 6. 6 is your ones digit. Same way, same I am doing here. I am writing this two-digit number in its expanded form. So my original number will be, your original two-digit number will be 10 multiply 4 is tens digit, here tens digit is 10 minus x plus 6. 6 is ones digit, here ones digit is x. Very good. I am simplifying here. 10 multiply 10 will give you 100. 10 multiply x with minus sign, minus 10x plus x. It will give you 100 minus 10 plus x, minus 10x plus x, minus 9x. So this is your two-digit number, that is your original two-digit number. Got it? Okay, now come to another part of your question. It says that when we interchange the digit, interchange means you are replacing ones digit by tens digit, and in place of tens digit, ones digit will come. It means your new ones digit will be new ones digit. When you are replacing or when you are interchanging, new ones digit will be previous tens digit, and previous tens digit is 10 minus x. Very good. And new tens digit. New tens digit is equal to previous ones digit, and previous ones digit is x. Very good. Now, as I did here, I have written this 2-digit number in its expanded form. Same rule applies here. Same concept applies here. I am writing 10 multiply. What comes here? 10th digit, and 10th digit is now new 10th digit is x. Very good. Plus 1st digit, and new 1st digit is now 10 minus x. Very good. So simplify it. 10 multiply x will give you 10x plus 10 minus x. So 10x minus x will be 9x plus 10. Okay? Sorry. So there are two numbers, 2-digit number. First is your original 2-digit number, that is 100 minus 9x. And when you are interchanging the digits, your new 2-digit number will be 9x plus 10. This is your new number. Okay. Now read the statement. When we interchange the digits, you have interchanged the digit. It is found that the resulting new number, which is resulting new number? Resulting new number is 9x plus 10. Okay. Your resulting new number, this number, is greater than the original number. Which was the original number? This. It means this number 9x plus 10 is greater than 100 minus 9x. This number is greater than this number by how much? The number is greater than the original number by 18. By 18. Statement says that this number is already greater than this number by 18. What does it mean? What does this line means? This line means, I am rubbing this statement. See, it is saying that this new number, when you are interchanging, the resulting new number is 9x plus 10. 9x plus 10. This number is greater than this number. This number is 100 minus 9. And this number is greater than this number by 18. It means it is already larger. It is already larger than this number. And when I have to put equal to sign in between these, it means these two terms must be equal. And how they will be equal? When I will add 18 here. Why I am adding 18 here? Because this number is smaller and this is already larger. It is given. So now I can put the equal to sign. Okay? Understood? Why I have put it equal to sign? Because this number is larger and this is smaller, and I have to make these two things equal, and for making them equal I am just adding 18. Okay? Now solve this linear equation. This is very simple linear equation. How will you solve? 9x as it is, and this 9x with minus sign will come to that side, is equal to 100 plus 18, 118 minus, and this 10 will come to that side with minus sign. 9 plus 9, 18x is equal to 118 minus 10 is 108 is equal to, now you can find the value of x as 108, and this 18 will come to that side with division, and you can cancel with 6. So your value of x is only 6. And remember, what was your x? Your x was your 1's digit. Therefore, you found that 1's digit of original number is x. X is 6. And 10th digit is equal to 10 minus x, and 10 minus x means 10 minus 6, which is equal to 4. So you have found the two digits, 1's digit and 10th digit of a number, and you can write simply a 2-digit number. Original 2-digit number will be now, original 2-digit number is equal to, 10th digit is 4, 1's digit is 6. Very good. So your answer is that your original 2-digit number is equal to 46. Now you can verify your solution. How? it was given that your original number is 46, and when you interchange the digit, it means now ones digit of new number I am writing here. Now ones digit of new number will be tens digit, that is 4. Ones digit of new number is equal to now 4, and tens digit will be ones digit, and ones digit is 6. So your new number now becomes 6, 4. 6 is your tens digit, 4 is your ones digit, 64. Or you can simply just interchange here. 46 now becomes, after reversing, 64. And now, what was given in the question? It was given that when we interchange the digits, your resulting new number, that is 64. 64 is greater than 46 by 18. It means you can check 64 is greater than 46 by 18. So what it will give? 46 plus 18, 8, 6, 4, 64. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means your solution is verified. So in this way, we can proceed with these types of questions. Okay.